to my channel. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. And continuing with the fun of the body roll series, I have 3 more variations for you that we're going to be able to use in bachata and zouk and even salsa. Yes, 3 variations in 3 simple steps each. 3, 3. So keep watching. Alright guys, before we get to the 3 steps for the variations, let me introduce you to some isolation exercises that we're going to be using. Okay, so remember, belly button to head is upper body, belly button to toes is lower body. You're going to place your hands by your chest to the chest level and make sure your elbows remain by your shoulder level. So everything creates a really nice line. Okay, you can bend your knees just for more support. And now first exercise is going to be tilting your body to your left and then to your right. Very simple. We just go here. Make sure this is not happening. Okay, so one more time. We go and again. Second exercise, we're going to remain in the same posture and we're going to turn our body first to your wall to your left and then to the wall to your right. We're going to try that again and make sure this is not happening. So one more time, we go here and here and here. All right, let's get to it. All right, now for variation number 1, I call it the snaky. And why is that? Well, we're going to start with almost like a figure 8 for our upper body, our chest, but then we're going to add at the end a body roll. All right, guys, so step number 1 for this one, let's open our legs. We're going to go first in this motion. So remember the isolation we did at the beginning. Tilt. Step number 2, turn. And step number 3, finish the body roll. Now, 1, 2, 3. Make sure you're not putting your weight on the other leg until 3. So one more time, we go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is how it's gonna look like once you feel a little more comfortable. We're kind of creating this figure 8 with the body and then taking it down all the way to the body roll. So we're here and we go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we keep going and going and going. Boom and boom and boom. Now for the second variation, I call it the whip. And again, it's just variations of the body rolls. I just came up with these fancy names just because, you know, I want you to remember what you're doing. But in reality, I don't know if that's the name, just to be honest with you. Okay, so let's get to the second variation, the whip. Why do I call this one the whip? Because it looks like you're whipping with your hand, yeah? Okay, for step number 1, we're gonna do exactly the same isolation. We go 1. For step number 2, we're gonna turn our body and make sure your weight is still on the, well, in this case, it's on your left, okay? And step number 3, we're just going to complete the body roll. Actually, half of the body roll because we don't put the weight all the way. All right? Okay, let's try it one more time. So we go 1, 2, and then 3, and that's it. If we want to add the hands, we go 1 and then 2 and 3. So at the moment that we do the number 2 is when we whip the hand and then we stay here. All right, good luck. Tilt number 1, number 2, turn, and then start your body roll and stay on this leg. Okay, now let's try it with the arm. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the count is 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's only in 3 steps. So one more time, let's go to the opposite direction. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for number 3, I call it the boomerang. Boom, boom, boom. Boomerang. Okay, why do I call it the boomerang? It's super similar to the whip, but then it comes back. So I'm gonna show it to you. And boom. Yeah? Okay, so exactly the same thing we did for number 2, which is number 1, you tilt your body, number 2, you turn, and number 3, you're going to begin your body roll. If you have difficulties understanding your body roll, you can look at this video and it's like explained in detail. So you finish your body roll all the way until settling your hip. Okay, let's do it one more time. Without your hands here, we go 1, 2, 3, and then finish the body roll. All right, good luck. So we go with the count 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we go to the opposite direction. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it, you guys. Good luck. And if you like my videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to click on the notification button so you will not miss a thing. If you found it useful, sharing is caring. So go ahead and share with your friends. Alright guys, see you next time.